Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this makeup look using the Lancome and Emily in Paris eyeshadow palette. So when they announced they were doing this collab with Emily in Paris, I had to jump on it like the first minute I saw it because it is absolutely gorgeous and I absolutely love the TV show Emily in Paris too. And the eyeshadow colours are absolutely stunning. You can create so many looks with this. Nice daytime looks and nighttime looks also. So if you would like to see how I created this lovely smoky eye, then just keep on watching.
So I'm first taking this shade here as my transition shade in the crease, and I'm slowly building up that colour. Then taking this shadow here and focusing it more in the crease to add some more definition to the eye. After that, I've taken the transition shade back over again just to blend everything back in. Then taking an eye base to carve out the eyelid shape where I'll be placing the shimmer shadows on top of. I then took this shade here and applied that over the carved out area. This shadow has a lovely hint of green and silver through it, and it really catches the light. I went back into the outer corner with that darker shade to build it up. And then blended it back out again to keep the smoothness. Next, onto eyeliner. I use the NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink eyeliner and take that first across the eyelid right out to that outer corner. And then flick it up towards the outer edge and then create that feline cat eye flick. To tidy up the edge, I use some concealer and touch up the bottom edge of that eyeliner and try to make it look as sharp as possible. I then take the darkest shade in the palette and blend that on top of the liner at the outer corner. This is just a preference of mine, but if you do like a more subtle look, you can skip this part. After that, I added lashes, and these are from the brand Unicorn Lashes in the style Not Basic. Next, taking the highlighter shade in the palette and applying that to the brow bone and inner corner. Then going on to that bottom lash line, I take every shade that we used on top underneath, keeping the darkest closest to that lash line. Then applying some mascara to those bottom lashes to make them look nice and thick. After that, I take my eyeliner again to create a feline inner corner. I feel like this brings the whole look together. The minute I done it, I absolutely loved it. I then took the highlighter shade again and applied it to the cheekbones. The highlighter is so glossy looking and it really stands out. To finish the whole look, I took the Emily in Paris lipstick in the shade French Tea. This is a gorgeous peach nude lipstick with a satin finish, and it was so nice to apply and it feels really moisturising on the lips. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you'd like to see from me, and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.